Calling all couples. Let me ask you a question. When it comes to your finances, does one of you pretty much handle everything? If you're looking at your spouse thinking, honey, you pay the bills, I just sign where you tell me, you're not alone. That's how many relationships naturally work. One spouse enjoys the financial side of things, the other would rather plan the vacation or just about anything else. There's nothing wrong with one person taking the lead. The problem isn't that one person handles the finances. The problem is when only one person understands them. Every family is different. I've worked with couples where the wife is a financial quarterback and others where the husband is. What matters isn't who manages the money, it's making sure that both people could step in if life suddenly changed. Because life doesn't send calendar invitations before it throws us a curveball. I've seen spouses who were grieving while simultaneously trying to figure out where the investments were, how to access online accounts, which bills were on auto pay, who prepared the taxes, and where the will was stored, or whether they even had one. Those questions are hard enough on an ordinary day. They shouldn't have to be answered during one of life's most difficult moments. Many families are blended families. There may be children from previous marriages, separate assets, prenuptial agreements, trust, aging parents, or different people serving as trustees and powers of attorney. These aren't awkward conversations, they're loving conversations. Confusion often turns into conflict, especially when emotions are already running high. Let's lighten the mood for a minute. If I asked your spouse what bank you use, where your life insurance policies are, who prepares your taxes, or where the safe is, would they know? And if the response is, wait, we have a safe? It might be time for your family meeting. Here's my recommendation. Once a year, have a 30-minute meeting. Pour a cup of coffee, sit at the kitchen table, turn off the television, and simply review your financial life together. Not because you're expecting something bad to happen, but because you love each other enough to be prepared. Let's talk about a couple's communication checklist. Both spouses should know where financial accounts are held, both understanding the household income and monthly expenses. Estate planning documents should be reviewed. Beneficiary designations should be current. Prenuptial or postnuptial agreements are stored and understood. Children from previous relationships have been considered in the estate plan. Both spouses know the attorney, the CPA, and the financial advisor. Passwords are securely stored and accessible if needed. If there's one thing I hope you remember, it's this. Financial planning isn't just about growing wealth. It's about making life easier for the people you love. One spouse can absolutely take the lead with the finances. Just don't let them become the only person who knows how everything works. The greatest financial gift you can leave your family isn't simply money. It's clarity, communication, and a plan. This week, ask your spouse one simple question. If I weren't here tomorrow, what would you need to know? You might be surprised by the answer.